lose them screws, boy. Alright, slide this on up in there. And look at that. Perfect, bro. Perfect fit. Almost done. And then I still got to clean up this mess that I made up inside this car. And I need to take it to go get vacuumed. That's probably what I'm going to do. Because I still got the car out. I ain't put it back in the carport, as y'all can tell. We still out in the sun. Let's turn the key over. Yes, sir. Look at that. We got power to both the EQ. Yes, sir.
My cars, I paid cash for them. Go past hill, I got 220 on my dashboard. You see litty now. Now my bro around with jewelry on, shit bigger now. I don't mean no disrespect to MLK, but I'm that nigga now.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, this video we finna go ahead and finally put in our custom center console that we made. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all know the center console is not perfect. It's not the best. It's not a professional, but it's the fact that I did it myself for I think like $40–50 total, compared to paying $1,000 to have somebody else do it. You know what I'm saying? So my first time really fully building one, wrapping it and everything. Ooh, I almost fell back because if y'all could tell, I had to undo my seats because I had to put them back together so I could drop the car off to the mechanic shop. So I undid the seats already. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do is wire these wires up for power and ground for the power sockets, which if I move this, you will see it. So that's the only thing I have to wire up, and then I have to put the EQ through that hole up top. But these wires, I'm gonna be putting these wires infused with the EQ wires because I know my EQ is not a constant power. It only powers when the car's turned over, which is what I want them charging ports to do. This one is not. This one is constant power. It gets power if the car is on or not. So that's why I have to keep my phone charger unplugged. So I have to keep it unplugged. If not, it will kill that battery. You know what I'm saying? It would drain the battery fully. So I'm gonna be using the EQ, the power and ground from the EQ. Unplug these in there with it, and it won't be a constant power. It'll be only a power when the car's turned over, which is what I want. I don't want it to be a constant power. I only want it to be power when the car is on, or turned over, I mean. So if I turn the, well, I ain't got my key in. It's acting slow. But if my key was in, I turned it over, it'll come on, but I unplugged the battery anyway, so I'm not worried about that. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be installing the center console. So I have the seats already undone, as y'all can tell, because y'all know these seats don't recline, which I wish they did. But I have these already undone to where all I gotta do now is unhook the EQ. I'm gonna take a picture so I remember which wires go where, and then plug these in, the power and my ground, and then put it in and then put the seats back down. So that's all I got to do now. This car is ready to have the custom center console that we built put in this car. You know what I'm saying? So before we get started though, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, do as much as possible, you know what I'm saying, to help us try to keep growing. That's the whole point of me doing this, is, you know what I'm saying, is to keep trying to elevate, keep trying to grow, and bring y'all some good videos, you know what I'm saying, during the week for y'all to enjoy and watch. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get right into this video. Like I said, the only thing I'm gonna have to do is just wire this up, take the EQ down, put the EQ through, and then we're done. Simple as that, you know what I'm saying? So let's get right into this video, and let's see how much we can finish and get done today. All right, y'all, so in work mode, as y'all can see, got my hair pulled back, you know what I'm saying, because I'm tired of my hair being in my face. So we finna go ahead and undo this EQ first, and then we're gonna wire up everything else after that. I just had somebody stop and ask me if I would sell this car. Like I told y'all, these old schools are high desired cars by older folks, you know what I'm saying? So, which I'm already knowing, but I can't get rid of this car. You feel me? For one, this is my dream car. I need to move this first. But for one, this is my dream car. I could never get rid of my dream car just that easily, you know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm not even finished doing what I want to do with it. So, yeah, I can't get rid of this car no time soon. All right, one screw out. get this other screw down, then the EQ will drop. Then I'm gonna unhook it, and we gonna wire up the center console piece. Yeah, I know what y'all saying. Use a drill. Like I told y'all, man, I love using just these hand tools instead of electric tools. For one, I know how tight it is by hand instead of by machine. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, get that screw out. I'm gonna have to vacuum this car again. Get that undone. And then, like I said, I want to take a picture of this, so I will remember how it's wired. All right, undo these. Hold on, y'all, I'm taking one more picture. And that was my uncle, y'all. I be trying to tell him, man, when I'm recording, y'all gotta stop it. I hope I can use these in there, but I need to go ahead and get a flat head. I need to get a flat head so I can undo these, and this one's way too big. I don't know if I have a flathead that small. Way too big. Alright, y'all, so I might have to take a pause real quick and try to find a smaller flathead. Like I said, I don't know if I have one with me. It might be one at the other crib. So, let me try and find a flathead, you know what I'm saying? Then we will see if we can get this finished. Yeah, I gotta find a smaller flathead, so give me 1 second. All right, y'all, so got everything wired up now. Well, not only thing I got wired up, I should say, is the power and the ground wires for my charging ports. You know what I'm saying? So now we finna go ahead and put this custom center console down real quick. So yeah, first thing I need to do though is put this EQ in. So let's move on to the back real quick and put this EQ in. Move the water, and yeah, oh dang, I forgot I gotta take these side pieces off. Hold on, y'all, let me sit y'all back down. Screwdriver, forgot I had to take these off. Really forgot they was even on until now. Take these little brackets off, sit them in the cup holder for no. I don't want that to fall. Let's sit it back here. Sit both of them back here until I get finished. Don't lose them screws, boy. Alright, slide this on up in there. And look at that. Perfect, bro. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Now look at that. Look how flush this. Man, that looks so hard, bro. Look at that. So that's how the EQ gonna look. Like I said, I got wire everything up. So now that's what we finna do. Finna put this in there in the car. So yeah, man, go ahead and wire everything up. The EQ sit flush, and like I told y'all, my EQ, it got like a little poke at the top, as y'all can see, so it will hold it perfectly still. And if I want to, I can put brackets in the back, but I don't need to. You feel me? It's not gonna move, and we need to wire that up. I mean, I could start it on camera, why not? So let me go ahead and put y'all back down. Go ahead and put y'all back down. Y'all see the tacks. Y'all see the tacks. Alright. So, like I said, I'm gonna have to move this seat out of the way, because that is too tight of a squeeze. So ahead, lift this up, push it back some. Come on. Come on. Squeeze up in there. Alright, I gotta move the other side too. I'm behind y'all just in case so y'all don't get scared or anything. Go ahead and scoot this seat back like I said I needed to. And this is how the console is going to look. It's a little bigger than what I expected, but it'll work. It'll do the job, you know what I'm saying? Custom center console. So let me go ahead and wire everything up, push it back, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all and we gotta put the seats back in. So I'm gonna get all that changed from up under there. Yeah, I need to clean this car. I wish the seat would stay back like this, but the only way I do that is by getting some more bolts and redoing the bolts and all the holes and stuff. But yeah, let me go ahead and wire this up, then we're gonna push it back and we'll be done. Yeah, it got a little bit of a gap over there. It'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? It look good though. So let me wire everything up and I'm gonna come to y'all when it's done. So y'all stay tuned. All right guys, so I bolted in the rear bolts, all 4 of the ones in the rear. So now let's go ahead and do the ones in the front, you know what I'm saying? Get these done. So let's go ahead and tighten these down. Then the seat will be fully back in. And I definitely overestimated just a little bit with the center console, but man, it looks good. I don't even care. It looks really, really good. And then I gotta plug the battery up, make sure the charging ports work, the EQ cut back on. And I still need to get a torque wrench so I can start torquing this stuff instead of super tighten it. But that one's down. Let's go ahead and put this screw piece back on. Let's go ahead and put this back on to cover up that bolt. Just like that. Tight. Not going nowhere. Alright, let's move on. My bad. To the other side. Almost done, man. Almost done. And we can see this final result. Almost done. And then I still got to clean up this mess that I made up inside this car. And I need to take it to go get vacuumed. That's probably what I'm going to do. Because I still got the car out. I ain't put it back in the carport. As y'all can tell, we still out in the sun, letting the car get some sunshine. I'm going to probably take it to get vacuumed off camera. And as y'all can see, the seat is now stuck. It ain't going nowhere. And my dad bought me some lugs for the wheels, but I told him these are the wrong lugs. I gotta get, well, now y'all can see. But yeah, so he got me the wrong lugs, so I gotta go back and still get 20 new lugs. So when we get ready to put the wheels on, we have the right lugs. Alright, got that tight. Let's put this on. Screw it in. I need to get some stainless steel screws because these screws are a little rusted and I don't want it to get too bad to where I wouldn't be able to unscrew this stuff again whenever I get ready to find, well, whenever I find new seats. Alright, got that tight. Now it's in there. The seat is fully back in the car. Now I need to plug my battery back up. But here go the center console. Like I said, I overestimated just a hair. You feel me? It's a small little gap on each side, but it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? It's good. Let me get in the other side. Get in on the driver's side, I'll show y'all. So, like I said, I overestimated a little bit, but it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be hitting my leg, and if I want to, I can rest my leg here. You know what I'm saying? While I'm driving, so I don't have to hold it up the whole time. But like I said, overestimated just a little bit. It's a small little gap, a finger size gap. You know what I'm saying? But it looked good. And like I told y'all, for my first time doing this, I really like it. Y'all know I got cup holders, so I can put my drink in here. Look at that, and the drink's barely even leaning. Not even really leaning at all. And then I can still charge my phone. Plug my phone there if I want to, you know what I'm saying? Got my EQ, so it's a little bit closer to me. Man, it look good, bro. I love this. So this is how it's looking. Man, I love this, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I love it. I love how this console came out. Like I said, it's a little bit bigger than what I was expecting, but man, it look good. I love it. So now all I need to do is clean up my little mess I made up in here. I found these coins up under the seat. So 25, another quarter over there, 50, 60, 70, 80, almost $1. 85, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 87 cents. Nah, 85, 92 cents. Almost $1 in change. But now I need to clear out this console because I'm not gonna be using this one anymore. I'm gonna put it up. I need this remote. This remote goes to this TV, I think. I think this is the remote to that. Or if not, it's the remote to this unit. One of them two. It either go to my TV in the ceiling, this one, or go to my radio. But I think it go to my TV in the ceiling, so I gotta leave that up here. But the rest of this stuff I'm gonna clear out. Whatever I don't need, I'm gonna just leave in there. Like some of these bolts, I'm gonna keep, put in my toolbox and stuff. But yeah, I'm finna clean up the car. These are the extra pieces. I'm gonna put these in the glove. Put my napkins in the glove. But yeah, finna clean up, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the console. And I will catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. Alright guys, so I'm now finished. Everything is sort of cleaned up, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I still need to vacuum up in here. But other than that, man, this center console is cleaned out to basically all the stuff that I really would need. Everything else in here I don't really need. So I'm gonna put that up, and then I gotta put this change up. But other than that, man, we finna see if these power cords work and my EQ cut back on, which everything should. You know what I'm saying? First take. Y'all know I don't be cutting nothing out, so let's turn the key over. Yes, sir. Look at that. We got power to both the EQ. Yes, sir. Just like that, man. Everything's back working. You know what I'm saying? And now we got two new power sources. Man, I'm telling you, I love this center console. Even though I know it's not the best, it's not professional, it's not perfect, it's definitely gonna do its job. And it came out good. You know what I'm saying? It came out really good. Got me a little cup holders. Now I can sit my drinks in without being scared that they might tip over with this, because this is very sturdy and it's tight. You know what I'm saying? And then my EQ, I mean, it all together just looks really good. You feel me? Sits right under my radio. Yeah, it's a little bulky, it's a little bigger, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I like it. You feel me? And it's my preference at the end of the day. But it's gonna be in the end of this one, man. Make sure y'all get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I do value y'all opinions, even though, like I said, I like it. Even though a lot of people might not like it, I do want to hear what y'all think about it. You feel me? So y'all get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the center console, the custom center console we made. I didn't expect it to be this big, but it is bigger than what I expected. But it is what it is, like I said, and it looks good. So got my EQ back in, got the new power sockets, as y'all can see, new power sockets, cup holders, and we got us a custom center console, man. It looks good. But other than that, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. And share the channel, share this video, and let's keep trying to elevate and grow. You know what I'm saying? But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. Keep God first and God bless. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.